Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both ends, OBS and YouTube. Open YouTube Studio and create a stream key. Copy it now, because you'll paste it into OBS. In OBS, set your base canvas to 1280 x 720 and output to 1280 x 720 at 30 FPS for predictable bitrate. Once done, enable microphone and camera permissions and add them as sources. This gets everything linked quickly and avoids bitrate mismatches that cause buffering during the live session. Now you configure scenes and outputs so streaming runs smoothly. Add sources like display capture, window capture, video capture device, and your mic under audio input, group or crop as needed. Create at least 3 scenes, starting soon, live, and ending, and assign quick transitions of 300 to 700 milliseconds for a polished feel. Then go into output. Choose X264 or NVENC encoder. Set bitrate between 2500 and 4500 kbps for 720p. Finally, paste your YouTube stream key into OBS settings stream, then click Start Streaming. Test as unlisted before going public. While live, monitor OBS stats for dropped frames, CPU usage, and actual bitrate. These tell you whether to lower resolution or change encoder preset. If viewers report buffering or you see high CPU, switch to NVENC if available, or reduce bitrate/resolution. This is the single most effective fix. When done, click Stop Streaming and end the YouTube broadcast to close cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.